Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon Prime unboxing unbagging video. And I think I know what this is. So if so, I'm super excited and I'll give you a hint. Okay, so let's open this up. I'm going to have to grab my scissors to start this. And now that it's started, I can just rip it open. I love unboxing. So, let's see what's inside here. Yes, it is exactly what I thought it was. So, we have some stuff to do. My sticker manicure. Now, can you see my fingernails? Here, let me show you. See my fingernails here? These are stickers. And I didn't even know they existed until recently. And I did some Christmas stickers. This is my second set. The first set lasted 1 week. And they would have lasted longer, but I broke this nail. And when the nail broke, it pulled the sticker off. So then I just pulled all the rest of the stickers off because I have 12 sets of stickers. And like really, there's only 4 or 5 weeks where I could get away with wearing Christmas stickers. I figured the whole month of December, and I could probably get away with it for the first 2 weeks of January, right? So that's just 6 pairs of stickers if they last a week. And I'm pretty sure these would last 2 weeks if I wouldn't have pulled them off. So anyway, this is my second set. Can you see how cute they are? But then my toes were looking bare. So these are toenail stickers for a toenail manicure. So let me see if I can click on them. This is a 308-piece marble full cover toenail wrap strip. It's called Toenail Art Polish Self-Adhesive Stickers. Anyway, let's take a look at them, okay? And they'll be just like this, but for toes. And my other set, the red and green set, was prettier, but I like these more muted colors because I have several tops that are this color. And I have several tops that are this color. So these go with the tops that I wear a lot of. And there still has some little red. Here's the little Santa and the little reindeer. And they're just really cute. So I do have a lot of outfits that match these. So I just wanted to try these. Because I'm saving some of the red and green ones for my mom and my aunt. They want me to do their nails for Christmas. So I can't hog all the really super Christmassy ones for myself. But anyway, this is about the toenails. Now, these are not Christmassy toenails. These are just like normal marble toenail things. So, first of all, you know me and bags, the issue I have with bags. First of all, they gave me 2 little nail file things. And these are used because you put the stickers on, and you just like stick them on, and you try to, see, I left a little bit of space on the thumb. That's because you don't want to get them on that icky part. I don't know fingernails. But see, it looks bad if you get it too low down on those things. So what are cuticles? I'm going to have to start doing my cuticles. I never have. See, this one doesn't have cuticles like that. So I'm going to have to figure out how to get rid of these cuticles. But I didn't want that to happen on my thumb. So you have to just arrange them where you want them. And you stick them on. And they're longer, so you can put them next to your nail and cut. I find it easier to cut it so it's just a little bit higher. And then you're just like smoothing it on. And then you just file it off. And you have to file it in one direction. And if you want, I'll do a video showing you how I do it. But I'm by no means an expert. I didn't even know these existed until last week. But anyway, so it comes with 2 of these. And let's take a look and see what we're getting here. So they all come individually kind of wrapped in their own little package. So let me move the package back. So this is the first one. And it's like a dark marble color. They're gold and black. And they give you enough. What I do is I cut them down the middle. So that side's for one toe and that side's for the other foot. And you probably have enough to do like 2 feet's worth because they give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 11 stickers for each foot. So depending on how big your toes and toenails are, you might even have enough to do it twice per sticker bed. You know what I mean? And this is the side in the middle that goes against your skin. So anyway, that's super pretty. And You know what I am using? I usually put things down for you so you could see them on my light pad, but my light pad is in use right now. So let me just put this down, just to put these down on for now. And these are all going to be marble. See, these are all toenails. Those are really pretty. So what if I do it this way? And purple or lilac. So I could have got the Christmas ones for my toes, and I'm kind of sad I didn't. I might still. I might still go back and order some Christmassy ones for my toes. Isn't that crazy? I really only want for the week of Christmas for it's Christmassy, but I think I thought there were some colors in this one that would work for Christmas. So those light blue ones are pretty. And blue and gold. Yeah, I thought these would be nice for Christmas. They would even go with what I'm wearing right now. These colors would go perfectly. So, yeah. So that would go really well. And that's festive, right? That's why I didn't get the Christmassy ones. For my toes. And then there's these ones. So pretty. But yeah, I might still go back and buy some Christmas toenail ones. Pink. I love pink. And that would also go with what I'm wearing right now. And a purpley pink. This would also go with okay with what I'm wearing now. So yeah, I have a lot of outfits that go really well with these colors, like the pink and the burgundy. Not so much of the green. I have a few, maybe 2 tops that have green in them. Green doesn't look really nice on me. And these ones. And gold, which is also festive for Christmas. And more blue. So 4, 8, 12. There's 2 more. Like an orangey tan color. And more blue and white. Kind of gray blue. So when I ordered these, I thought that this one, and this one, and this one would get me through Christmas, 4 weeks of Christmas. Because this is the green, this is the gold, and this is just pretty. And it goes with all the colors, and this one. So I thought, yeah. And I thought this one here, the black, would be nice for like the new year. I don't know why I thought this is New Year-y, but I've got a black outfit that I got sent to me that this would go really nice with. So, yeah. So these are the stickers that I got for $12.97. So that's 14 sheets of stickers and 2 of these nail file thingies. And I'm pretty sure that you could get away with, like, this is 1 toe, this is 2 toes, but I think you'd have enough left over that you could make a set. Like, even if you couldn't make 1 full set of 1 color, you could mix and match colors that kind of go together to make an extra set. Because I find I'm having a lot of leftovers with my nail ones, too. And, like, see, these would go nice together. Do you know what I mean? So I don't think anything would go to waste. Anyway, these are my toenail wrap stickers. Let me try to organize them for showing you a little bit better. Shame that my light pad is in use, because I like to use my light pad to show you these. Ah, of course they all fell. Okay, that's as best as I'm going to show you, because I just messed them all up by lifting them up, and they all fell. So yeah, my bad. But anyway, I really like these toenail stickers. They're called wraps, faux wraps. I love them for my fingers because I can't use nail polish or nail polish remover. To remove these, it couldn't be easier. You just pick at your nails until the sticker comes off. That's what I did. And they just all came off in a full sheet. And the first one came off because I broke this nail while I was doing arts and crafts. The whole nail broke off, and when I pulled the nail off, it pulled off the sticker. And I'm pretty sure my first set would have lasted me 2 weeks because I took them off and they were perfect. One was a little marked on the tip, but that was it. And I have been doing dishes every day. Now, the secret to putting these on, you guys, so far that I have found, is just wash your hands really great with soap and water, hot water and soap, dry them. And then I just spray them with the alcohol spray that I had for my ears when I gave myself earrings. It's just like a 70% alcohol spray. So I sprayed all my nails to get the oils out, dried them, put them on, and that's it. And then I just used the manicure things to take the excess off. But you have to really push down, get all the air bubbles out when you're doing it. It's super easy. And to take them off, you just peel them off. They come right off. Once you find, it's just like peeling any kind of sticker off. So these are my fingernail ones. These are the toenail ones. I love them. If you're like me and you can't stand scents, you have asthma and allergies, I really recommend these. Really inexpensive on Amazon. Just read the reviews and make sure you're getting a set that is pretty good. All right, and I'll let you know how this set works out because I have not tried this brand. This is the, it says it is the Ailaloe. Ailahloe, and I will put the link below. But give me a week or two to see how these work, and I'll come back and do a review, okay? All right, guys, I'm babbling like crazy, so I'll stop here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And take care and stay safe and happy crafting. Bye, guys.